For today's video, I'll walk you through linking an artist's profile to your Instagram music on Tunecore. First, ensure your Instagram app is updated to the latest version. Open Instagram, log in, and switch to professional or artist mode. Tap the search icon, search for Tunecore, and select the official account. Then send them a message asking how to verify your channel using an official artist channel. They will reply with steps to follow. Just follow those steps to set up your account and link it accordingly. And that's simply it. Thank you for watching. We hope this video helped you figure things out. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.